Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan mayonnaise that includes white beans and a little avocado. Now I have the full recipe below in the description box and also on my blog, and also some scaled down versions of this recipe, and so I'm going to be actually making 1/4 of the full recipe. This is just for me and I don't need a lot. And I'm actually, because it is so small, I'm going to be using an immersion blender and making this in a small glass mason jar. So what I'm starting with is just under 2 cups of canned Great Northern beans. These were rinsed and drained, and you can save the liquid aquafaba and you can actually use some of that in this, or you can use water. And then in this little bowl I have 1/4 of an avocado and 3/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then I have some liquid ingredients, and I have 3/4 of a teaspoon of lemon juice, 3/4 of a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, and 1/2 tablespoon of water. You could also use, in place of the water, 1/2 tablespoon of the aquafaba. That would be the liquid from the canned beans. We've got it all in the jar here. It's not a lot of ingredients. I'm making a scaled down version, so I'm going to blend this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Now here's our blended mayo. Obviously it's not going to have the exact color of a traditional mayonnaise because it's got the avocado in there, but it tastes very much like it, and it does have the consistency of a traditional mayonnaise. So you can use this in a type of salad that you would use a mayonnaise in. You could spread this on bread for a sandwich. You can do pretty much whatever you would do with a mayonnaise with this same vegan oil-free mayonnaise. The recipe is below and on my blog. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.